Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the help center on the Manta application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon next to the search icon at the upper right corner of the screen. And here you can find the Help Center option and step on it. Here you can find different topics and different information about the application and that how to use the Manta application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.